Only a long time you get trouble, you know?
I'm not trouble, that's a
You're
little joke.
mischievous, you know?
I don't
Man.
like me make the boss left him.
Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of Poppy Show.
Today's episode we'll be doing the Never Have I Ever challenge. I don't even know if it's a challenge, but that's what we're about. Y'all probably familiar with it, but we're gonna give another Poppy Show version.
Alright, so let's jump right into it. First question. Have you ever cheated in any relationship?
Yeah, back in the day,
I have.
man did I go out with a little thing.
Things happen, right? You live and you learn.
But you don't know if it's sow the wild oats, cause you know what I mean, get the curiosity out of the way. Kinda important to get the curiosity out of the way. If you're married still, that's a negative, but back in the time when you're younger, you know, you're curious. You know what I mean? We weren't saint them time there.
True.
Now we live like a saint, but them time that we do the thing.
And it's good now that we can confess and say, yeah, I've cheated before in the past. So, you know, move on to big and better things. Yeah?
Yeah, I mean, I don't confess nothing, but yeah, man did do that.
Yeah, not that it's a good thing, but it's good that we can be open. A lot of people, they're scared to have these discussions, you know, or people walk around acting like they're saints when they're really not.
But me not care. Even if a woman tell me say she never cheat before, I think she cheat. So whether them want
Really?
confess. So
do you really think every woman has cheated before?
well, the one them when me encounter, I mean not that them tell me say them cheat, but I mean not cheating going on them face, so I mean any cat can play me now go say, did you cheat? Did you cheat? Did you cheat? Did you cheat? But you just have it so them did probably cheat one time, I don't know.
I'm glad we don't have to worry about those things anymore.
Next question. Have you ever had a fight in school?
Can't lie about this one. You've never fight in school. Boy, you make me look bad. But you know, I the first day I started high school, unfortunately, I had a fight in the bus.
First day.
First day in high school. First day in high school, I was already in the principal's office. Like, for real, for real.
She never had the school thing.
No, it's not that. No.
First day, so what the principal said?
Well, at the time, she was very nice though. Like, she was like, "You're so pretty."
She must have
And-
afraid.
No,
I'm not
she was
afraid
like,
till first
"You're
day."
such a pretty girl. Like, why would you want to do this? You know, you may end up in prison and blah 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 and whatever." And you know, she kind of talked some sense into me, and I did have a few more fights after that, but
I guess you never talk too much
but I
sense now.
finally quit. But I finally quit though. My hand was just light. Like, look at me too hard, I was ready to grab you or something, but
I don't remember fighting in school, honestly.
it's not something I'm proud of. Like, when I look back, I was like, man, like, why was I like that? But I don't know.
Okay, Tyson.
All right, have you ever broken up with someone? I have. I mean, if it's not working out, it's not working out, and I ain't got time to waste, so you gotta go.
Yeah, I have to.
But did you feel bad though? Like,
Yeah, I'm gonna feel bad.
yeah.
I'm gonna feel bad because she.
I felt bad because I don't like to hurt people's feelings, but it had to be done.
I'm gonna feel bad because at first I wasn't trying to break up with them. Like I wanted to break up with them, but I didn't want them to feel like it was a breakup. So I was kind of gradually pulling myself away. But them do just a move speedy, you know, like them might take it to a different level too quick, and me I try back up and me I take one step backwards and them I take 3 steps forward. So that for just hit done, man. See, it's me I try for back up easy, but them I move too far. So
Yeah, the thing with me is if I'm with you, I'm with you. And if I say it's over, it's over. Like, I'm just done. Like, yeah, I'm just done.
you wouldn't take me back?
Probably not.
I don't know what I believe her.
What you? All right, try it.
Try one.
Make we break up and see if I'm gonna take you back. Make we try it.
Alright.
Let us try it, babes.
Next question. Have you ever had sex with someone and regret it?
I have. You've never? Okay, so
You had sex with someone and regret it?
yes,
So why you had sex like?
Okay, so this was an ex, and that's why they said when you're done, you're supposed to just be done. So I broke up, and then we did it again, and it wasn't fun. For the whole time, I was like, ugh.
Oh, so just your breakup, right? Never fun.
Yeah, yeah, but I guess we were still trying to work at it or whatever, but it just wasn't.
No, that sounds like your mind.
It just didn't. It just didn't feel the same. So.
Oh, but I thought like more in a situation like, you know, you look at girl for how long and you know when you finally get through, and then when you do it, you'll be like, dang.
Yeah, but it don't matter. I mean, it's still, you know.
No, I'm not really dependent to, you know, me enjoy myself all the time, so I'm not regretting things.
Yeah, knowing you, man.
Next question.
Have you ever cheated on a test?
On a test?
You have?
Come on.
When did you cheat on a test? In high school?
Yeah, in high school. When I'm a college man, Bridget, them can. Well, the one with the other class, I know. So what happened was one time, we're in a chemistry class. So the teacher give us a test. Was it a test or an assignment? No, I think it was an assignment. Probably cheating a test, but an assignment. No, an assignment. Something named osmosis. I don't know what osmosis is, but boss give us something named osmosis. And one person alone did the assignment. One person, so everybody say, yo, we have a feel, whatever. So we asked the one person who do the assignment, you know, make us see what go on. So him bring like a half a potato. And him dig out a hole. And I don't know what go on in it, but it have a water looking substance, but it kind of red, you know, like some Kool-Aid thing. You must say when him do whatever in the chemistry class, that's what it turned out to be. So the whole would just run into the cafeteria and beg them a Irish potato and cut it in half and buy a bag juice. Just squeeze the red bag juice and the whole of it won't look like.
So we're on a field then?
No man, whole of it pass. Because it looked like at the assignment, but I will never do it with how. But yeah. Go pass, man. Do the thing. Next question. Have you ever stolen from a friend?
Never.
I've never stolen from a friend, but
People say, who your teeth from?
but I have a good little story though. So when we used to go to high school, we used to pay $1 for bus fare. But when I'm a virgin, take 2 buses, right? When I come off of the bus, he might go take another bus. So what happened was, we had a little pocket right here, so. And me little taller than him. So him have him $1 for the next bus, another pocket here. So when we come off of the bus, me and him I walk. So I just put my hand on him shoulder here, so and I walk. And just take out the $1 out of him pocket. And him never realized.
Oh, teeth.
So when we walk across the road, that's just joke me a jokes though. When we walk across the road, he might go in at the next bus. And he start search himself like he must say, yo, where the bus fare there here? And I said, boss, you can't find the bus. He must say, no, I'm sure I'm never gonna put them. Start look around. So I said, alright man, I'm gonna lend you $1.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna lend him $1. And the next day he come to school, he bring it back and give me what? I just explain it to you. I just joke with him and make him keep it.
Wow. Only a long time you get trouble, you know?
I'm not trouble, that's a little joke.
Mischievous, you know? Man.
I don't like me make the bus left him.
So when you told him, what did he say? Did
He run me down.
Of course, I'm gonna run you down too. I'll know more than I run you down. No, sir. Don't play them joke there.
But he find it funny afterwards, but he run me down.
That's crazy.
Trust me. That was funny though. So I never thief it. I just borrow it from him and lend it back.
Troublemaker.
Next question.
Have you ever heard someone else doing it?
You?
Yes.
You live in a tenant yard?
No. No, so my grandmother,
Your grandmother?
no, not my grandmother. My grandmother, let me finish now, man.
Okay.
My grandmother had rented a room. Like we had our main house and then we had a smaller house attached. So she rented out a room to this guy. And so his girlfriend would come over and whatever. And man, I tell you, woo, crazy noise. And that was my first ever like reaction, or that's the first time I've ever heard somebody doing it. Like,
How old you are?
I was in primary school. Yeah, and I mean, they
So
were
in the
going
daytime?
no, it was in the night, and I think it was a Sunday night because I remember my grandmother wasn't there and my granddad, they went to church at night. But I know she was screaming, and so I thought he was hurting her. So we went on the veranda and we were kind of like, you know, peeking through the window and stuff. But she seemed like she was enjoying it. So, you know, it kind of puzzled me because I was like, why is she screaming out? But at the same time, you know, she kept on going. And then I remember the man was sweating like crazy.
So you don't wonder why she just scream at the same time?
I was wondering why she was screaming like she was like it was hurting her, but she kept going and like she was enjoying it.
So
Because I didn't understand.
As you got older, you understand?
Really.
Last question. Never have I clogged a toilet. Like you use the toilet and it can't flush?
Yeah.
Like the water and never flush it, are you?
Clog. It no matter if water there or not, it clog. Period. Point blank. I have. So my scenario is I had used the toilet and it just kept going.
What?
And
You using the toilet?
yeah. And so, you know, I kept wiping, and the more I wiped, the more was coming. The more I wiped, the more was coming. So what happened
So why you
was,
wipe for? You know, just wait until you're done?
because I thought I was finished, and then, you know, sometimes after you wipe and stuff, and then you had to go again.
That's
So
not
I
like
keep wiping and wiping and wiping, and before you know that, there was too many tissues in there. So that's what caused the clogging.
Yeah. How old were you? 5?
I won't release that information.
So like I get potty trained. You don't know when you're done? You just have everything.
No, and especially you want to make sure you're extra clean and stuff. So, you know, you keep using all this tissue and stuff, and before you know it, the thing is full with tissue. So, you have?
Yeah.
When?
Enough time. Yeah.
Here?
In Texas? Of course. So you're not clogged toilet here?
No. When?
So that's one time alone you ever clogged the toilet?
Yes.
Eh.
Me ever clog toilet here?
So you never flush the toilet sometime and you see like the water just full up?
But I don't me clog it.
Oh.
The toilet have issues and I me clog it.
Well, I guess I never for me then, because that happened and I like say me clog it up.
Yeah, blame it on the toilet. You clog up the toilet and who knows where you clog it up with.
That's our Never Have I Ever trivia episode, guys. We hope you loved it. We did love it.
Yeah, it was fun.
It was fun.
As
It was
usual.
real fun. For real. And as always, we appreciate you guys watching Poppy Show. You know, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and make sure you thumbs up the video and share it with your friend them. Okay? Poppy have a lot of stuff in store for everybody. It's really nice. It has been a fun journey, and big up all of the people and we have big up Poppy Show. Don't know.
No, your lips are all pretty. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Love y'all.